Hello everyone, welcome back to RP Automation YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to reverse order of words in a sentence using Automation Anywhere A360. So this is a common text manipulation task, and you can see which interview question we are going to solve in today's session. So this is a input. You are doing great work. This is the input, and they want to output exactly like this. Like we have to reverse text in a word. So we have to reverse the order of words in a sentence using automation anywhere. And this is a very famous interview questions. So many people are asking me this interview questions is asked during my automation anywhere interview. So this is a common text manipulation task that can be useful in various scenarios, such as when you need to process or transform text data. So let's take this example and we hope we can achieve our desired output. So let's see how we can achieve these things. So first of all, we need to open our automation anywhere, and we will start by defining our variables. So for that, create one variable in assign, take a string action and assign our variable, and we are going to give exactly input this and give proper name. This is our input variable name. And next step is we are going to split this variable. Okay. Str input give our variable, and I am going to split my input variable using space and create one list variable. And this list we are going to use in loop. Take one loop action, and here give our list variable. This is our list name, and create one variable, output variable. And inside of loop, take one assign action to save our output. So this is I'm saving our output. Uh, Here I'm going to do list item and create one new variable output, and take one message box to see the result outside of loop, and give our output variable name. This is our output variable, and let's run our bot to check the bot is giving expected output or not. So this is very common interview questions. So many people is asking this question during the interview, and this question is very helpful for solving your or improving your text manipulation knowledge also. So this is very simple and very frequently asked question, interview question. So I am going to solve this. So you can see guys, our code is giving expected output, but here we did one mistake. So we are going to resolve this mistake. So make sure before running you have given your list item and our output variable also. And make sure you have given space in between that two variables. Okay, so you have to make sure those things. And again, we are going to run. I hope for this time we can achieve our expected output. So you can see guys, we have achieved our expected output using this logic or this type of code. So this question is very important in the interview, and for the text manipulation also this question is very important. So if you like this type of videos or interview questions, so please subscribe and hit the like button. So it will give motivate to me to make more videos on interview questions of automation anywhere, Power Automate and UiPath also. And that's it. You have successfully reversed the order of words in a sentence using automation anywhere. So as you can see, it's a simple and effective way to manipulate text data. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on RPA and automation anywhere. So you in so you can see in our next video. So